Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and skill oriented platform. So here we are going to perform a task related with the application installation. So let's suppose that if we are trying to install multiple applications with a single command, is it possible? Yes, of course. Is it possible if we are working with Server 2025 or we are working with the Windows 11? In the same manner, if I want to uninstall bulk application with a single hit, is it possible? Yes, of course we can do this. And in the same manner, if you want to perform number of tasks related the upgrades, uninstallation, installation, package management, each and everything, so we have a command line tool available inside the Server 2025. So let's move and export the feature of this application. Now I'm inside Server 2025. So let's verify the operating system. So here I type cmd, and with the very simple command, it's winver, and here we have Server 2025 operating system available. So I just need to get with the terminal. So here when I click on the start button, so the terminal option is available. Okay, so here on this window I just type winget, and here we have some kind of installation options via the command prompt on the platform of Linux, CentOS and Debian. So the same feature is available inside Server 2025. Here you can see we have the installed option, search option, uninstallation, import, export, and lots of other options available when we are going to tackle with the application management. And in the same manner, if I want to verify this command inside Windows 11, so I just open the PowerShell, and here I type winget, and the same options available over here. So I just clear the screen and I type the command. Let's suppose winget a list. So I told to winget that show me all the listed applications which installed inside this operating system. So when I just entered, and it will show me all the applications with their names, application IDs and versioning as well. So it will take a while. Here you go. Now it show me that all the installed applications on this operating system here, and versioning over here, and in the same manner available, which is the latest version available also show me. And here I have the source from where it get installed. So it show me the detailed information about all the applications which installed over here. So if I want to, let's suppose I want to get information about any specific application, so I can also do this by winget command, winget, and I told him that show notepad. Okay, so it will take a while and then show me the results about the notepad application. And when it show me the results, so I'll definitely, here we go. Now it show me the detailed information about the notepad, its installed publisher, and all kind of information, its licensing feature, productivity, each and everything about this specific application. So it's a tremendous kind of tool from where we can perform number of tasks related with the application management, administration, monitoring, and updates. And in the same manner, if I want to search for any kind of listed application, so I just type winget and search. Let's suppose I want to install Teams over here, or if I want type here, so okay, I just type the wrong command, winget search, and I type Teams, and after typing the command, here we go. So it will show the results about the Microsoft Teams. So here you can see all the detailed information is available about the Microsoft Teams. And in the same manner, I just need to clear the screen. I type search notepad plus plus, and here we go. Here we go. So it shows that there are two versions available, and it shows the version match and its source and the application ID as well. So if I want to update any specific application, so this option is also available. Winget update Notepad plus plus. So it will just update Notepad plus plus application inside Windows 11. So there are a number of features available, and we can perform all these tasks here. Here we have. Okay, so it's just multiple installed packages found matching input criteria. Please refine the input. So it shows that there are a number of applications available. So I just need to specify which notepad version I want to update. So definitely I'll type the exact name of the application. So here under the ID, the name, specific name is available. So I just click it from here and I type over here, paste it over here, notepad plus plus, and here we go. So we just need to provide the exact specific name, because if there are multiple versions or multiple instances running for any single application, so we need to verify the exact application. And here we go, found the notepad update, and it's initiated the update procedure, and within a few moments it will definitely update this application as well. So there are numerous things we can perform with the help of Winget. So it's a command line utility, and by this utility you want, if you want to perform any task related with the application management, it's really simple, really easier. And here we go, successfully installed. So with the help of this Winget, we can perform a number of tasks inside the server operating system as well. So if I want to list down the available applications which just supported by the Winget on the platform of Microsoft, so here I just type the Winget command, Winget, and search what I want to search. So I just correct the spell, and then I type Microsoft, and here you go. Where I'm getting, okay, I again typed the, basically the wrong command. So winget search. What's wrong with it? Search, and here we go with the Microsoft. Here, now it will take a while, and it show me all the listing, all the available applications with versions and each and everything about Microsoft as well. And here we can see here. So all the applications, all the versions available for Microsoft. So I just need to type the Office application inside the server operating system. So it's really easy for me. I just need to type Winget installed Microsoft.office. Okay, so it will just search for the application, and here with a single command each and everything is going. So we can perform, as I said, lots of tasks, and I can open a further window, and here I can install Winget, install Chrome. So here we go. So it told me that there are number of versions available, so I just need to verify the ID. Okay, I said no problem. So I just take the google.com. Here is the ID available, so I just type and enter. And here we go with the installation. So it's a tremendous kind of tool when we talk about the system operations. So there are a number of options available which we can perform on the server operating system, or even on the Windows 11 with the help of Winget. So this application will be installed within a while. So here the Chrome is not available, but as the process is completed, so the Chrome version will be available over here. So we just need to keep an eye on the desktop, because icon will be appear over here. So let me verify the Chrome installation, And here we have lots of options. So we will wait for, and here the Chrome installation is ongoing, and in the same manner, here we go. The installation is completed and the other installation is ongoing. So we just need to refresh or search for the Chrome. The Chrome will be available over here. Not available. Let me verify. Okay, so it might be take a while for the updates. So we just need to verify, and here. So it's writing for another installed application. So we will wait for a while. So this application will be completely installed. So here you can see on the screen, please wait while Windows configure Google Chrome. So within a few seconds, it will complete installation about Microsoft Office and for Google Chrome as well. So in the same manner, if we are trying to uninstall any application, so we can also perform these tasks as well. So here we go. If I type winget and type uh, uninstall, and I just type notepad plus plus and hit enter. So by this mean it will uninstall the application as well. So these are very simple tasks without any dependency. It will perform number of tasks related with the application. So here it shows me that you just need to type the accurate ID. So when I type the accurate ID, so it will definitely uninstall notepad plus plus. Okay, so if I want to again update all the applications inside Windows 11 or Server 2025, so I just need to type winget and update. When I hit enter, it will update all the installed application with their current version. So it's really simple. Before this, it's not possible that you can update all the applications within the single command, but right now it is possible. You just need to type winget and update. You can also schedule this inside the system to for better management and for better administration. So let's move with the server operating system. So here we can verify, yes, the successfully installed the application. And if I can verify here, the Google Chrome is available over here. And again, if I want to perform uninstallation task, so I have nothing to do with the commands. I just type uninstall, okay, and hit enter. When I hit enter, it will definitely uninstall the application which is available on Server 2025 or on Windows 11. So I just click to also delete the data and uninstall all the applications.